Hey, here at Weeylite Photos we get sent stuff to review, photographic stuff, and occasionally, very occasionally, I get something in for review that I like so much that I go out and buy one and put it in my bag. Not many things these days end up in my bag, but I had something come in last month and that's exactly what I did. I went straight out and ordered one, and it's this. This is the Weeylite K21. I actually really like this light. It's just so versatile and it's just so easy, and it just does quite a lot of jobs when I'm out and about. Let me tell you about it. On it comes. There we go. Okay, so I've got it at the moment at 5,100 degrees Kelvin, because that was the last job I was doing. What I tend to do out at jobs is I use an app actually called Kev. It's an absolutely fantastic app and I use it absolutely every day. It's a no-brainer. If you haven't got it, you need to get it. I've got a review on the on this site about Kev, and I can't understand why people aren't using it more. I'll leave a link at the end of this film, and I'll leave one in the description to the film that tells you about Kev and how easy understanding white balance is when you've got Kev to ask. So what I would normally do is I would turn up at the job like this and I'd think, okay, what's the colour temperature of, ooh, I can't see backwards, that wall behind me there. You know, if I want that to be sort of clean, sort of, you know, white tones, how am I going to white balance that? Well, it's simple. I get my phone out, I get Kev, and I ask it to take a look at that, and it tells me. And let's say it tells me it's 5,100 degrees Kelvin, and so I can pop get these teeth sorted. I can pop 5,100 degrees Kelvin in this, and I can just press the plus and minus, look, and just, you know, take it up and down. Here we go. Let's just go up, colder. So if it's a really bright sunny day, you know, I can get up here. Look, I'm on 7,000 now. Look how blue it's going, you know, right the way up there. 8,500 is my highest there. Let's come all the way down. Keep your finger on it. It goes down to the lowest, 2,500. So if you're in somewhere with tungsten lights, or you just want to warm the light up, you can have this warm colour here, which is 2,500. That's a little bit warm. That's candlelight, I'd say. Okay, so first of all, and obviously you've got you can turn it up and down. Look, you can go from power to 0 to 100. So that's all pretty simple, isn't it? But it doesn't stop there, because if I press the set button, it's gone to a screen where I can dial in. I can dial in my reds, greens, blues, whites and yellow. So all those LEDs are in here. I can dial it in. I'm on 100% blue and 0 on everything else. So with the blue light there like that, I might point it towards the background, and then suddenly look, you've probably seen YouTubers with those lovely blue backgrounds in, and this is what they're using, LEDs like this to light that background, make it very blue, and you get 2 or 3, or if I actually had this closer to the background, it would go very blue. Okay, but it doesn't stop there, because if I press the set, what have I got here? Well, an ambulance or police car or whatever. If you're doing something that requires some effects in a video, if you shoot video, and you know what this is? It's lightning. Of course it is, and we can actually change the speed of the lightning. So this is one I use quite often as well when I'm filming, you know, the paparazzi effect, a big bank of photographers, like I was on the red carpet. Okay guys, take a picture now. That's enough, no more pictures. I'm talking to you now in front of a flaming fire, a beautiful, beautiful winter's evening. And I'm sitting here in the warm. Of course I'm not, I'm sitting here with an LED light, but you can see what I mean. It is really versatile, and I do use it all the time. So another thing I love about this is it's got magnets on top and bottom, which means that, you know, when I'm out and about at jobs, if there's a radiator or something like that, you know, anywhere near, I can stick it on, and straight away I can, you know, use that as a filling light without having to stand there holding it. It's really, really useful. Since having it in the bag, I've used this lots and lots of times. It's coming very, very handy. Sometimes as a main light, I'll have it around here, just off camera, somewhere like this for a bit of butterfly lighting. Other times I might just bring it just around the side, behind the subject that I'm filming. Okay, I'm holding this here, but you can see that it gives me a nice little room light, which makes the picture quite interesting. Obviously it would be kind of out of shot there. It doesn't require batteries, you just charge it up. It takes a few hours, just stick it into USB-C here, stick it on charge, put it in the bag, lasts for absolutely ages. You can light your subject with it, you can light a background with it, you can change the colour. Look, what more do you want from a light? I really rate it. I think they're really, really good, and it went in my bag, so I'd recommend you put one in yours. If you are going to light the subject, it's really useful to know what the colour temperature is of the room before you start, because you get to dial it in so you can match it up, you can make it cooler or you can make it warmer. But to do that you would need to know what the colour temperature of the room is. Like I said before, I use an app called Kev, and I've got a great film showing you how easy that super cheap app is to use. It's an absolute no-brainer. Honestly, if you really want to step up your photography and understand white balance and get so many more pictures right first time, then check out this film here. You don't want to miss it.